but it went down just as quick as it come up. It was virtually gone.
Queensland, Australia is experiencing a catastrophic flood, the largest in recent decades.
Can fly, so he's looking for all these gaps in the weather to just be able to get it.
Is guaranteed.
We'll be cut off here for about...
Since March 23rd, torrential rains have hit the southwest and central parts of the state. In some areas, more than 600 millimeters of rain fell in just a few days, nearly twice the annual average.
With floodwater, it's cost him around 6,000 sheep and 60 kilometers.
Las autoridades del estado de Queensland informan de que más de 100,000 animales de granja han muerto o están desaparecidos desde la semana pasada.
This led to a flood that covered a massive area of over 380,000 square miles.
0.9's gone up probably 0.3 since 8 o'clock last night.
Equal to the combined territory of France and Germany. Rivers overflowed, inundating towns. Some, like Adavale, had to be completely evacuated. People were forced to flee their homes in a rush, with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Leaving behind all their belongings, animals, and livestock. Many remote settlements have remained cut off from the outside world, as rivers spilled across flatlands where water can linger for weeks. The only way to deliver medicine, food, and animal feed is by helicopter. In addition to destroyed homes, the disaster has dealt a major blow to agriculture.
You can see the mark on the...
Over 150,000 head of livestock have died, and this number is likely to rise.
The main street, look at north of Dixon.
More than 2,800 miles of fencing were destroyed.
Loving the new pool at the school.
Including special barriers that protected livestock farms from wild dog attacks.
Shire admin building. See the water level.
The Premier of Queensland stated that the situation goes far beyond a typical rainy season. Many communities are facing an unprecedented disaster. In the western regions of the state, the flood has become the worst in the past 50 years.
Crossing the street, looking down towards the river.
The flooding is expected to continue in the coming weeks, as peak flood waters slowly move downstream.
Dogger, update. What time is it, Donna?
It's 11:45.
11:45.
And this is far from the first natural blow to Queensland in 2025. In March, Storm Alfred left hundreds of thousands of homes without power. Earlier, heavy rains caused flooding, evacuations, and casualties. One of the causes of the sharp increase in rainfall intensity and other natural disasters is micro and nanoplastic, which has accumulated in vast quantities in the ocean. This issue was thoroughly explained by Dr. Egan Shalakian, a representative of the international scientific group Adavale, in the video Invisible Threat.